The National Executive Committee meeting of the Jatika Sevaka Sangamaya, which includes representatives of UNP-affiliated trade union members, was abruptly stopped after attendees of the meeting began to protest.
Representatives of the Jatika Sevaka Sangamaya and members of UNP-affiliated trade unions were invited to attend this meeting at the UNP party headquarters at Sirikota. The meeting was held under the auspices of leader of the UNP, Ranil Wickramasinghe, chairman of the Jatika Sevaka Sangamaya and the general secretary of the United National Party, Akila Viraj Karyavasam, assistant leader of the UNP, Ravi Karunanayaka, and party trade union secretary, Palitharange Bandara were in attendance.
The United National Party was first divided by SWRD Bandaranaike. After he built the Sri Lanka Freedom Party and broke away, how long was he able to work? He died within 4 years. In the 70s, Rukman Senanayake broke away from the United National Party and formed the United People's Party. People like K.R.P. Surya Perma and Jinadasa Nihathapala assisted Rukman Senanayake to form this party. In the end, today only a few people know even if Rukman Senanayake is in Sri Lanka or not. After that, it was Lalit Gamini Premachandra's era. They formed the party of the Eagle. What were they able to accomplish? Those people who broke off from the party are not even among the living today. My friends, everyone who left us has to come back to the Sirikota at the end. You can ponder on whether the people in the positions that they were holding will be willing to give up those positions. We are not ready to do that. There are only two parties that are vying for power at this general election. They are the Pohottua and us. I was given a mandate to form a government in August 2015. We have not lost a national level election since then. We supported the candidate of the Sohon at the presidential election. It is only now that the United National Party is contesting the election under the symbol of the elephant. If we want to win this election, we need to learn our lessons, because it was our deputy leader, Sajith Premadasa, who contested that election. We supported him. But what happened? A group of people who voted for us turned to the other camp. I understood that we will not win if we go on the same road that we took in 2019. We will lose. We cannot take that route again. We cannot go ahead with those policies. The United National Party is trying to move forward appropriately. I would like to say that all of us would unite and work together. Are we here to contest the election or win the election? It is good that you asked that question. In 1977, half of our party had broken away. They said we cannot win again. We came back into power with 140 seats. The voters have not decided that yet. We need to move forward.
After Ranil Wickramasinghe's address, representatives of the trade unions began to question him. Although Trade Union Secretary of the United National Party, Palitharange Bandara, attempted to defuse the situation, it was unsuccessful.
තවත් බබා නවලවල වෙන ඡන්ද දෙන්න අලියට
අපි තවත් දුක් විඳින්න අපිට බෑ. අපි ඊට වඩා හොඳ කුලි වැඩ කරගන්නවා. අපි කුලි වැඩ කරනවා ඊට වඩා හොඳයි. පස්සේ කියලා අපි හැමදාම දුක් විඳිනවා. අපිට ඕනේ නැහැ. අපි ඕන නම් අයින් වෙන්න අපිට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ.
ඔයගොල්ලෝ නිහඬ වෙනවද? හරි. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ මෙතන බොරුවට කෑ ගහලා සද්ද කරා කියලා ඉවරලා තේරුවන්න. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ කිව්වා නායකතුමා එක සාකච්ඡාවක් කරන්න කියලා. දැන් කිව්වේ දැන් ඉල්ලුවේ හෙට හැන්දෑවේ 4ට සාකච්ඡාවක් තියෙනවා. ඒ 4ට සාකච්ඡාවට ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ එන්න නියමිත කණ්ඩායම කවුද කියලා අපිට දැනුම් දෙන්න.
Later, the secretary of the UNP trade unions, Palitharange Bandara, also left the premises.
අපි සජිත් එක්ක තමයි ඉන්නේ ඔක්කොම ගිහලා මේ මුන් එක්කෙන් නෑ අපි පස් දෙනෙක් තියාගෙන ආන්න පිටවන්න පුළුවන්ද මුන්ට මොලේ නෑ මුන්ට පස් දෙනෙක් තියාගෙන ආන්න පිටවන්න පුළුවන් මුන්ට මේ හැමදාම හරක් කියලා සදාති සාක්ෂි
Akila Viraj came here one day to accept his position as chairman. He came and met us and he spoke to us about giving the Buhari to someone else. He only spoke to us on those 2 days. None of them spoke about us. That is why the CTB was destroyed.
CTB එක අන්තරව නැතුණ එකයි. ආණ්ඩු බලය තියෙද්දි අපි විපක්ෂයට වැටුණා.
Trade union representatives who attended the meeting expressed these views to the media.
They didn't care about us for 5 years. They did nothing for the members of the Jatika Sevaka Sangame. Now they are trying to give us 5 minutes to speak. Are these the characteristics of a leader? Can this leader take the party forward? These people have just struck a deal. We won't allow this to happen. The main reason for us to join the Samagi Jana Balawegya is this crime that they have committed. All of our trade unions are ready to join the Samagi Jana Balawegya and work with them from today. This is the last time that we are coming to Sirikota. The elephant is not his inheritance. The elephant is our inheritance. We are the people who decide who is kept in these positions. We have been working for the party since 1977. The leader will not even allow us to speak. He addressed the meeting and then he left.
The group then visited the office of the Jatika Sevaka Sangame located at the premises. The group representing the trade unions arrived at the Samagi Jana Balawegya office this evening. There as well they voiced their opposition against the leadership of the UNP. Thereafter, leader of the Samagi Jana Balawegya, Sajith Premadasa, met with the group and discussed their issues. A group representing the Samagi Jana Balawegya came there as well.
ශමීර පෙරේරා මෙතුමා දැකලා තියෙනවා. ඔයාලා කොහොමද නැගිටින්නකෝ කියන්නේ. මේ මෙතුමා ජාතික ලයිස්තුවේ අපේ മന്ത്രി අපේක්ෂකතුමා.
95% of the leaders of the Jatika Sevaka Sangame do not like the administration. They have no trust in Ranil Wickremesinghe because he did nothing for the UNPers in this country even after becoming Prime Minister on 5 occasions. Even when you see him, people get vexed. The hard-working people are not permitted to enter Sirikota. Sumedha Silva of the Jatika Sevaka Sangame called us and told us that you should convene a media briefing against Sajith Premadasa. As a working committee member, I was ashamed by that. But I have not been asked to come to Sirikota. Why? Because I speak the truth. The Samagi Jana Balawegya is the alliance we formed under the permission of the leader of the UNP. I was appointed as the leader of the alliance. I was appointed as the chairman of the nomination board. I was named as a candidate for the presidential election. Also, I was asked to appoint a general secretary to the alliance as well. First and foremost, we will never come into power with your mandate and strike deals with our opposition. Everyone in this country knows who engaged in political dealings. We will form a clean party with the majority and we will work towards the Labour community. But I am sad to say that I only had 30 to 35 days to do this. That was the best deal, delaying who the candidate was. All of you know that. I don't have to tell you of all the wonderful deals that took place afterwards. Let's put a stop to political dealings. I have a strong backbone to say that this is our vision, this is our plan, and this is the path we embark on. Instead, we will not tell you one thing and do something contrary behind your back. Therefore, I tell everyone that I take full responsibility.
පහුගිය කාලේ තිබුණානේ මේ අහවලාට කියන්න මෙහාට කියන්න ඒත් ඉතින් දෙන්නයි දෙපැත්තේ හිටි අග්‍රශ්‍රාවකින් දෙපළක් වගේ ටෙල් කියලා කිව්වා දැන් එහෙම ටෙල් නෑ ඔබතුමන්ලාට තියෙන්නේ මට ටෙල් කරන්න ඔබතුමන්ලා මට කියන්න ඒක තමයි නායකත්වය කියන්නේ ඒ ජේඑස්එස් එකට පත් කිරීම මම සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම ප්‍රජාතන්ත්‍රවාදීකරණය කරලා යූනියන් වලට බාර දෙන්නම් වැඩේ කරන්නේ